Okay, so a few weeks ago, I got approved to be a part of the Quest squad. What does that mean? I really didn't know. I just thought it was something fun. I love Quest, so I got accepted into the Quest squad. They're like, hey, your starter kit's coming in the mail. I'm like, okay, well, it's gonna be like little samples of stuff. So I come back from my 6th visit to Mayo. Anyway, so I come home to find this, and it's heavy. I'm like, interesting. So I open it, and what do we have? We have this fantastic, hold on, give me a second. Do I have it up right? On a Quest fancy schmancy towel. Lovely, lovely people. This very nice jersey blend, cotton spun, the t-shirt. And those are great, you say. And then the samples come. Not one, but 2 peanut butter cookies. Huh. Okay. Not one, but 2 chocolate chip Quest cookies. Okay. This is where it gets real, people. Okay. Not one bar, a box of chocolate chip protein bars. But that fun doesn't stop there, because we also have, Bethany, sweetheart, this is all for you, honey. Chocolate peanut butter. Not a bar. It's a whole box. But wait, it doesn't even stop there. Because we have birthday cake. Not a bar. The whole box. Box, people. Box. Okay? This stuff just came to my house from Quest as part of being on their squad. I'm pretty sure I peed a little. Or a lot. Oh, and they even hand wrote me a little note saying, welcome to the Quest squad. On a Quest. Team Quest. I mean, no. Okay. So that's it.
Let's have a dance party.